Okay, finally got the other detector that I ordered. I kind of upping my price a little bit, where cheapo, 23 something dollars from mainland China, AliExpress, and I just powered these on at the same time. And this one, you know, shoots up these upper values and it'll settle back down, then CO2 and CO starts. But the PM2.5 and the PM10, lately they've been around over 200. They've been kind of wonky. I'm like, man, that thing must be messed up. But hey, as a fart detector or CO2, CO detector, I think it's not bad. And it might be not bad for the HCHO formaldehyde and total volatile organic carbons. I'm not 100% sure. I got to do the math on them. Maybe it is just kind of BS. But I did the other video, and the sensor sucks. This one has a PMS 5003. I thought for the sensor alone I'd get it. Here's where I got it from. And Amazon. And for the cost of the sensor module, I thought it was worth it. And it's showing it's already worth it. You know, button on the side here. This one isn't battery operated, but I like how you get the extra value. So I think it's worth it. But we'll see how the values result in later. But for now, looks like it's starting off with a better start than what?